Hello, in this video we'll be comparing the display screen protection between Apple iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this, I visited our website HardReset.Info. Now on both of devices we have corresponding page open. So on Samsung Galaxy S23 we have the page with this device, and on iPhone the same thing. Now we need to scroll down and locate the basic information about the devices. And here we can find that the Samsung Galaxy S23 does have the protection LCD, which is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the iPhone does have the ceramic shield glass. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.